Hello everyone, welcome back to the Filament Bros tutorial. Today we will be talking about how to make your model printable. So for simplicity's sake, I'm going to be using SketchUp. This can happen in Rhino, and then afterwards we're going to transfer to Bamboo Labs to be able to kind of visualize how this process is going to take effect and how it's going to help your print the overall process. So for example, right now I have a SketchUp open with a fairly super simple architectural model. So this is in real life. So like this site is around 90 feet by 90 feet. And right here is going to be the little plate that Filament Bros or most printing services are going to print. So that would be kind of our entry that we're going to be able to submit either on the form or towards other people or whatever the case may be. So for example, we have these in different groups. We have the whole model in a group. You have these walls in a group, site in a group, doors in a group, windows in a group, roof in a group, all that good stuff. To make your model printable, first of all, I would say that you obviously have to scale this down. For example, you can be using any scale you want. Obviously, this could be due to your professor or due to yourself, whichever you prefer. But for the case of this scenario, we're going to pretend as if each 100 feet is equal to 10 inches. So there, for example, we're going to scale it down 100 feet. So we're going to do perfect. And then, so that would be each foot is equal to 100 feet. And then using our calculator, 1 divided by 12, there you go. We're going to be able to do that a second time. And that is 0.833333333. About. Perfect. And as you can see, it basically fits almost perfectly on this. So we're going to center this a little bit. Perfect. Make sure it's on the bottom. Great. Okay. So from here, so this is our building plate. This is our model. First, usually you don't want to include this much site. You can limit it down to a little bit closer. Usually it's better around here. I usually like to go with half of the building itself. So from here to here, say that's 20. The distance from here to here should be 10. That's usually what I like to go off of. But no matter the case, so here we go. This is our model. We want to print this. It looks good. So anyways, when you print this, there are going to need to be tree supports supporting this roof right here. So what we're going to want to do either is, for example, we can move this to the side a little bit, straight vertically, and that way we can place it on another plane right here. Perfect. We can move this down to here. Yeah. Perfect. So now you have two different plates that will be able to print this whole thing. Usually that's why the site should be a little bit smaller. That way you can fit most of your things on one print. Now, say for example, you wanted to not do this and you wanted to just keep the whole building intact so that you could pick it up and look at the underneath. We can reverse all of that. Perfect. And instead we can select this whole thing, including the windows. Move it all over. Usually I like to have like a line or something that would indicate where it would be. Obviously it's not very specific with this terrain. I feel like it could be placed anywhere, but with that in mind, bang, bang. Perfect. Move all of that. Down. Wonderful. Just like that. And so there you go. Now with this one, you're going to want, obviously you're still going to have those tree supports underneath right here. So what you want to do is select all of this, and you want to probably rotate. You can use your arrow keys to switch in between each one. You can rotate it like that. Perfect. Just like that. Over as such, that way there's no floating objects. And there you go. So it'll still print all of these combined with the roof, of course, and it wouldn't remove any tree supports. You won't need to do any of that. Perfect. I hope this helps. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.